And hello guys, welcome to the channel The Melon the Toy in the Couple Instrument. Let's go with the melon in the melody. Oh,
One more?
I don't know.
One more?
I don't know.
Ano mo yung wallet ko sa CR yan? Yun.
Hindi naman yun.
Tama mo na.
Ha? Meron na.
Magkaan mo.
Ha? Ano yung couple dito? Oh, the melon just up there. The down and the melon just melon, ready. Kaya ko. Kaya, let's go. Grabe.
Wala, hindi sumasagot. Chat ko na lang.
Diba nalot kita melon, kita melon, kita melon, kita melon, kita melon. Namay. Melon, lagi melon, kita melon.
Ano na?
Melon, hello, somebody here. Hello, somebody here. Eh,
Ano? Oh, sige.
very dito basta box. Very. Look at the very.
Mag-ano na?
Ha?
Wala ka na.
One more. My hair. Hello, I'm Ray. You're a store fan. Nice to meet. I know anything. You get the fan and help. I just not fault your bed. There was no knowledge about the bed. You said the bed, buddy. You said the bed. Yay! Just let's go on. Ray, we're not up in the way. Yes, the way. The way, yes, the way. The way, 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 was ready. No, you was ready. You would have been red. I got friendly. Yeah, the fan. No. No.
Hoy, yung ka na nag-eat. Ay no. Ay no.
Wait. No. gusto melon.
Oo.
Gusto melon.
Diba? Saan si Alison? Ha? Baby, usap ka ka, baby. Tagal mo naman kumain. Sana naman yun. Lagi kong hinahanap yung ballpen eh. Visit na to eh.
Ako? Ako?
Kalat. Kalkal kayo ng kalkal dyan. Bisa mo nagkalat ka na.
Melon. Melon. Gusto ko friend. Ako friend na. Gusto ba ito naman buhay. Yan pa ba ni Harry? Oh. No! 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 No!
Baby, open the door, open the door, open the door.
Kuya, open the door.
Papaulan ka? Oo.
Wala pa 5.
Do you want epic?
Wala kang loob. Tapos daw di the very episode kami Martin. video on channel. Please subscribe to the button. Natin na lang sa basong pinang please subscribe. Sa video sa mga teman. Jadi tahu tu macam macam ada yang tahu sampai 10 tahun kita amin. Tapi